Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name on your Atlassian account. Right? So as you can see here, I'm in my Atlassian account and it says G Day Drew. So good day, Drew. Now, in order to change the name on the account, you want to click on your account settings. You can find it from here, right on the apps, or you can simply click your profile on the upper right hand side and click on your account settings. Now, I want to mention things to it. I want to mention some important information here about the name changes. Now, whenever as you see here under about you have the full name and you have a public name. The full name is basically where it's going to change on your accounts. So if you're going to change, for example, the full name, so let's say I change this to Andrew, whenever I log into any other tools, any other Atlassian apps, you will see the name change. And I'm going to show you an example. While, for example, the public name basically works for forums and all these public things. So you can see it says display name on Atlassian public forums such as Atlassian community. So this is what would change. So if I want to change this, I can change this as well. No, I'm going to leave it as is because I want to show you an example of how the full name would look like in a different account. So let me just go back here to my Atlassian home here, and here if I click on my apps, sorry, go ahead and open up Trello on the apps here, you will see that it takes me over to Trello. And if I basically look on the upper right hand side and click to my profile, you will see it shows Andrew. So that is my profile name, right? I can go ahead and I can open up, for example, any, let's say, board. And if I go to any task or something like that, let me go ahead and open up this task here as an example. If I want to add a comment or click on members, you will see it shows that it's Andrew. If I want to type something here and I type, for example, at, it shows Andrew as well. And that's what's going to happen if I put comment somewhere. If I type, for example, hi, and then I click on save, it will basically show who wrote it and it shows Andrew. So you get the idea. So if you're working with a bunch of other applications or a bunch of different other applications or apps from Trello. So if you're working with any other applications on Atlassian and you want to change the name, you basically want to change it under your account. So you can change it to whatever you want. You can put your full name, you can put nickname. So it's really up to you how you want to name it. So if I want to use the first name or the full name, you will see. So all I have to do now is just simply do a refresh here so that you can see real quick that it changes as well. So if you want to go first name, last name, you can go ahead and you can make those changes as well. But that's how you go ahead and change the name on your Atlassian account, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's all there is to it.